I think we have scheduled it on Sunday. That's why I think many people have not joined. So no problem. Like we also really busy in the weekdays time. So that's why we thought that. I think your summer vacation is going on.
Yes,
Uh,
Yes,
so when it is ending, summer vacation
5 June.
on.
5th June.
5th June.
Okay, 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 guys. So uh, let's first of all let me introduce myself. My name is Pankaj Kumar. Currently, I am working as a senior software developer, okay, and tech lead. And like I have worked in like past experience, I have worked with multiple MNC company. Like I started with the Clay Salt. I have done a startup. Then I moved to the Morgan Stanley. Then IBM. Currently working in the OATI, American-based company. And this is my startup. I had done this startup during my college day, but due to the financial issue, I just moved to the corporate world. But there are some people who was working, so I support. Okay, as a mentor. So I will be your mentor for this during 30 days training. So there is two kind of track you can select anyone. One is a front end developer, one is a back end developer. Okay, so it is up to you. Okay, so I will brief you like in front end what is like topic going to cover and what kind of project you need to develop or like submit, and backend side what you all things like some REST API or some kind of like e-commerce website kind of API need to be developed. So those all things we will uh, let you know. But before going further, I want know about you also. One by one, will you please introduce yourself? Ayush, you may go first.
Hello, am I audible?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Hello, I am Ayush Raj. I am from Muzaffarpur, Bihar. Currently, I am pursuing BTech from Cochin University of Science and Technology. I am currently in second year,
Okay.
and yeah.
So also mention your interest, like which technology you are interested of. Okay, passions, hobbies, those all things. Today is like very less people, so we can you can go in the details also. Okay, so yeah, tell me little more about yourself.
Okay, so my hobbies are reading stuff about computers, playing chess, listening to music, and that's all. And I am interested in front end development because I have somewhat experience in it, and I'm currently learning back end things.
Okay, so it's great. Uh, Next person, please.
Hi, my name is Ani Singh Chandel and currently I am pursuing the BTech in Information Technology from SV itself. And I am also in the second year. I am passionate about the web development and I know actually both front end and back end, but I would like to go for back end. And can you tell me which language you use for back end?
For backend, we will use Java, and for front end, we are going to JavaScript.
JavaScript. So actually, I have done backend in Node.js and Express.js.
Yeah, so like
So
in if you are learning like Node.js or kind of, so it is like beneficial if you go with min stack or man stack. Do you know about min
yes,
and man? So
I know
most
about
of the startup they are preferring for min and man stack. But if you are looking for like big company like Google, Microsoft, so you need to go like it is better to go with Java or like usually with React or kind of if you want to targeting full stack. So um,
So
Priyansu,
for
will you
backend,
share?
I'm asking.
Yeah,
For backend,
backend.
I was asking.
So in backend, we are going to learn about Java, Spring Boot, Hibernate, Kubernetes, Docker. So I don't want to overwhelm. Okay, those all jargons throwing to you. Okay. So, but yeah, we are going to use a Spring Boot framework and language. We are going to use Java. Okay.
But for
So
front end,
preferably like yeah, database we are going to use MySQL. Or there are other like we can also use like MongoDB also. From front end, we are going to brief you about the web development. Okay, how it's like architecture of web development, HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Then we may move to some kind of library like Angular or React. So we will prefer React. Okay. On the basis of that, we are going to give you some project which need to be completed at the like end of the like last week of the this training.
can you tell me the details? What task and project you'll be working on?
Yeah, so project like mostly we are going to design a e-commerce website. Okay, like Flipkart or Swiggy, Zomato kind of things. And if there are some other like if you are having some like interest in some other kind of website, okay, so you can develop. Okay, and generally like we plan this one to introduce you like how the incorporate like there's a huge gap between whatever taught in like colleges, okay, and whatever is like required in a company. So there is huge gap. So as an internship, the main goal is to fill that gap. Okay, so we will going to tell you the current tech and technology which we are going to use in current days, and we will try to cover that like as much possible.
How will I contribute to your company? Like what things I have to do?
Look, first, as like you people are in a second year, so first contributing anything you need to learn. Okay, so first we are going to teach you some basic technology. We are going to refer you some assignment. Okay, and we will also going to give you some open source kind of resources. Okay, lectures on videos, and we are going to give you some kind of a small project which you are able to do. Okay, like it's like it is not I can't imagine like suppose I give you like a big project and you are unable to do that one, so it will be trouble for you and trouble for us. So as much like how much you are capable, okay, according to you contribute. Okay,
All
anything?
these
Okay,
things have to be.
we will keep this Q&A at the end of this session. Okay, so let me go through the like introduce our company. Okay, and then we will give you a chance to ask question. Okay,
Okay.
is it okay?
Yes.
Yeah, so Priyanshi going to introduce you like what topics going to be covered. Okay, and then at the end I'm going to come and introduce some other things. So Priyanshi, will you share the screen and introduce the things?
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay. So, will you play that in slow mode? लिंक किधर है रे? लिंक हमें ही शो कर देते हैं. ये स्लाइड का हम बोल रहे थे कि तुम ले शेयर. तो तुम तब तक करो, तब तक हम ओपन कर रहे हैं.
Hello. So let me give you an overview for this internship, like what we are going to provide you all. So I think many students were registered at the time, but only few are here. It look like uh, all are not really serious about this internship and all. So can anyone of you please tell me what are your expectations from this internship? Like college students have different pace of learning, so it will be possible that some of you might need to start from the scratch, and some already done some courses and certifications already, and also build some projects on front end and back end. So on basis of that we will decide and design our presentation and all, like how this internship will be going. So keep this meeting interactive pace. Anyone have any expectation from this?
Uh, Hello, sir. Good
Yeah,
afternoon, sir.
yeah, good afternoon.
Actually, sir, I have done little bit project in front end, and actually, I'm learning some. Uh, I'm actually in basics in PHP. I have done little bit projects in PHP. So I'm expecting to learn more from this internship.
Okay, so if anyone want to say something, first give your introduction, like in a short. So Ranjit, so tell me
Yes, sir.
something and what type of projects you have already built and what are you currently learning?
Uh, Actually, I'm hello, sir. I'm Rajneesh Kumar from Cochin University.
Yes.
And actually I have done a little bit project in front end, like event management and gym management types of project, and I'm trying to improvise my project by uh, doing some work on back end with the help of PHP and MySQL.
Okay.
These are the basics as I have started in the last few months.
Okay. So what are the skills you have used in your front end?
Actually I have done CSS, HTML, CSS, and little bit JavaScript
Okay.
and PHP.
Okay. Okay. I got it. So I'm seeing Ritik is also here. Hello, Ritik.
Hello, sir. How are you?
Hi, I'm good. Tell me about yourself. Is it your first
I'm
internship or have you done some internship earlier?
no, no, sir. I've done one internship before.
Okay. So tell me about that one.
About the internship, sir.
Yeah, which you have already done earlier.
Okay, sir. I've done that internship in React Native development,
Okay.
Android development.
Okay. Okay. So only that internship is related to front end only.
Yes, sir. Only the functionalities of front end I have to build.
Okay.
I mean, yeah, they gave the Figma designs,
Hmm.
and we have to design that accordingly.
Yeah, that was the thing I was saying that time. Like some of the students already have some idea related to front end and back end, like framework and all. And if anyone who don't know anything about front end and back end and programming, who are here just for the internship and certifications, and the students who need to learn from the scratch.
So Priyanshu, as I can see, like there are people with diverse field. Okay, some are there in mobile developments like React Native. Okay, some are like in a web development. Like people, let me tell the recent tech and technology. Like some people are uh, just some people are learning PHP. Okay, so like as a internship provider, like I should also give you the right path. Okay, like nowadays, like PHP is in a like die situation. There are no much vacancy in that field. Okay, like PHP as a PHP developer, and also growth is very less. So I know like you people are in academic, so you are not aware about the tech and trend, and maybe some people are also Google or YouTube the things what is the trending technology. So I will suggest that don't follow that kind of like learning path where like in the future you are not going to land with a good opportunity or good place. Okay, so this is the like a kind of like a career planning. Okay, so in internship not just like coming and getting certificate. Okay, it is about the learning the new trend. Okay, and also understanding how in a, like in a future I'm going to build my career or like position myself. Nowadays, like as you see, like you're a lot of senior is struggling because there are no openings for a lot of like or like inter kind of role. So you need to be cautious about your futures and you need to pick the technology very wisely. So I strongly like I will not recommend the people who are developing with PHP. At least you can learn more stack, okay, or mean stack if you are going for web development. Okay, HTML, CSS, anyhow you need to learn because that is the skeleton of any website. Okay, on the top of that, for easiness, there are some library develop or like framework develop, which is going to help you while development. Okay, so let me quickly brief about the company, then we will again come to the conversation because I don't want to make this boring. Okay, so our company name is Rajlee Electronics and Innovation Private Limited. We are working in a multiple domain. We are a startup India recognized, and you can also see we are the industry associate in NPTL, where all the big giant companies. Okay, I thought I am not sharing my screen. Hello. Why people are not responding? Did we spoil their weekend? That's why they are angry. Hello?
No, sir, it's nothing like that.
Yeah.
Hello, sir.
So,
Hello, hello.
yeah, hello. So, please be responsive. Okay, this is like you need to also learn. So, this is our company website. Okay, so here we do a lot of things like we develop our own like in house. We are product based company. Okay, so we are developing our own kind of uh, it's e-commerce and we are having like more than 7 companies under this banner and they are focusing in different field. So you can go for like in later also you can do further research, but like briefly I will give the introduce. Like this company was established in January 2020, 2018. Okay, and you know that Startup India like banner was recently launched, and it was very tough time to get recognized from Startup India. At that time we received recognition from like MCA, okay, Ministry of Corporate Affairs, and Startup India recognized. We are also doing some uh, industry associate partner of IIT Madras and NPTL. So you people can also see our company details on NPTL. So yeah, this is our company. So we have done, like I was the person like I pitched to the Kerala government, okay, and I get like 5 lakhs rupees a grant, okay, for my project which I have pitched to the government. And you know, grant is like you will get like kind of a award, and we are also recognized by Kusum. Anyone know the Kusum? Kerala Startup Mission. Okay, so we are working on like recent technology, advanced technology, and there are a lot of, like we are working in a diverse field. So people who want to learn, they will get a lot of opportunity. Okay, I know like within the 30 days I will not able to teach or like go through the a lot of technology, but we will try to cover you as much as possible. And rather than just teaching technology, if I will just mentor you properly, so it will be much beneficial for you in a career development. Okay, so consider me as a like kind of your career guide. Okay, so I am going to guide you what things you need to choose. Okay, I will give like opinionated view. Okay, I am not going to directly say that okay this is wrong, that is good. So because 100% we cannot sure that this is going to be bad or this is going to be wrong. For some people something can be like work, but some for some people it can be work. So we are having like right now we are at Hyderabad office, Western Aqua, High Tech City, Hyderabad, Telangana. So in orientation session, like what we are going to do, like introduction of each and everyone. Like I will try to know you people, like I like suppose you, some people are from very basic, okay, some people already had done some internship, so it is challenging for us like how to manage this diverse kind of group. Okay, but we will try to cope up. Okay, like the people who has already done some project might be uh, feel like it is a boring if I am going through the basic. The people who is like new to the development, web development, if I am going to directly jump to the project part, so they might face like difficulty to follow. So you people have little patience, okay, uh, and take this training as a like career guide, okay, not just a certificate for certificate or kind of any kind of validation. Okay, yes, we are registered by, like we are full-fledged company. Okay, you can also go through our MCA website, you can verify GST, CIN number, all things are good, but try to get, okay, valuable, like suppose whatever I am suggesting, okay, try to think on that. The things is going to be challenging, more challenging in future, because AI is becoming better each and every days. Okay, data is more going to be trend, so this kind of things is going to definitely going to be impact. Okay, but yeah, there will be no kind of like all the career will be going to vanish. There will be always, there may be some shift in a career. Okay, the things which can be done by AI, okay, that we will get done from the AI. the things which cannot be done by AI, we will do that work. Okay, so a lot of people nowadays are very panic. Okay, so don't be in that kind of mode, and let's come to the topic. So mission, goal and importance of internship program we will discuss. Okay, so I have already get introduction some of people, but some people join late, so at the end we will going to talk to them. Okay, and whatever we are going to teach, okay, we will going to give like formal like interview. Don't worry about those things, we are going to ask the things which we have taught. Okay, because we want to also validate, like we will give you certificate that okay, I have done internship in web development, and some people cross question on that topic. So you should not be a blind, like okay, what is that, what is this. Okay, so it will be like give like bad what called image for us also. So I want the person who is going through the internship, uh, be serious. Okay, this is for your career. Okay, and we are not going to get anything from you. Yeah, some things which you are going to develop, it might be useful for us, it might be not, but still we are doing. So be sincere with your curriculum, and let's begin a few things. So today we are not going to teach you any tech. Okay, so just we are going to walk through the what we are going to do. So in 1 month, like we are going to provide you remote. I know it's some people are in a Bihar, some people are in a Kerala, so it is very difficult for coming to the Hyderabad office. So let's do. That's why we decided. Okay, let's do for remote internship. So we will also, as in a starting also, I am just mentioning what is benefit of this program. So this program is like more intended toward the introducing the recent tech and technology, and what will be the good, okay, career. Okay, what will be the better opportunity, in which field you should go. Okay, or that kind of things we are going to introduce, and somewhat we will going to train on those technology, and we will give you some small task also to complete. So there is like two track we are going to follow, but I will try, because there are a lot of diverse fields, so maybe we will merge those things and try to like simplify the batch. Otherwise it will be really tough for one person to teaching the mobile development, one person teaching back end, one person for developing like front end. So please cooperate with us. Okay, so this generally we provide this kind of front end, back end and full stack development. Okay, so internship program details, like I already mentioned, like it will be going to for 1 month. Okay, and what topics we are going to cover, it is majorly like all the topics we will going to cover, how even how to deploy, how to create a project, how to deploy to the server, some from all the like software life cycle which we use. Okay, gathering from requirement. Okay, what is the requirement. Okay, to how to plan. Okay, how to architect the software development, then how to write the code, how to implement the things. Okay, then how to test. Okay, after testing, how to integrate. Okay, like QA, then how to deploy, then how to maintain. These each step we are going to learn. Okay, and at the end we are going to give you assignment. Yeah, and the people who are like perform like outstanding, then we might give some gift for them also. So these are all the things. And front end developments, like already mentioned, like UI UX design, responsive design, web development, HTML CSS, JavaScript. And because look, anything you go, whether it's go learn for React or like Angular, like for front end there are a lot of frameworks or library. So there's a React and Angular, then also there's a Next.js, Vue.js, So if you learn one thing, because these all are component based architecture. Anyone know what is component? Anyone, please? Don't ask quickly on chat GPT. Hello? At least if you don't know, say no.
No, sir.
No,
Okay.
sir.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I will go like take you through these all technical things. Don't worry, no problem. Okay. It is not a bad thing that you don't know, but someone teach you and then you don't know, then that is a bad. So make sure, okay, that whatever is going to taught, keep revise, keep doing some basic project. There are a lot of open source project is there. Okay, people are even directly giving some kind of project on YouTube or their personal blog. You just try to mimic that project. Okay, don't directly go and clone from the repository, git repository. And some of the part like which require for software development, okay, which is not mentioned in the PPT, that I will also cover. Like git is very important. Okay, how you will going to work with a team. Okay, like suppose for one project we are going to like make a team like 4 or 5 people team. Some people are working on some component, home component, some people working in some other component. Okay, so those kind of groupings we will do. So if we are doing grouping, if you are developing on your computer or laptop, okay, some other people developing their own develop, so how those code will be going to collaborate this. So those all standard technology we are going to learn. Okay, so backend, I suggest like for fresher it will be little challenging, because in front end whatever you do you will able to visualize it, see it. Okay, if we are giving h1 tag hello world, so it is going to see like you will able to see on a screen. But backend you will not able to see, you need to use some kind of client. Okay, like you can use postman or some other kind of thing. So it will be little tough, and I will suggest if you are in a second year, so focus on front end. On third year, fourth year, you can focus on back end. Okay, it is my suggestion. Okay, don't take it seriously. If you want, if you are willing, no, I can do in the back end also, so you can go ahead, no problem in that. So generally the technology for backend we follow Java, okay, and Java framework, it is very popular framework, Spring Boot. This is a Spring framework, but later on more advanced framework like it is just involved from the Spring, it's a Spring Boot. So we are using a Spring Boot framework. Okay, so like in this we are going to develop a kind of full RESTful API and integrate with some third party API also. Okay, that usually people have done such kind of project, like at least you are gathering some weather report or some kind of like information like total population of India. So there are some rest like open API, you can just go and hit that one and you can get the information. I can provide to the front end people, those they can use or utilize it. So process for certification, because it is required, like attendance and participation is mandatory. Okay, if you are coming for just certification, let us know. Okay, so why we should also do some effort, we will directly give you the certificate. Okay, but yeah, like if you are trying to build your career, so it is be serious and be attentive, okay, in each session. And we have also like some criteria for project active participation. So like suppose we have club some team, okay, like build some team, 5 people team, and collaboratively I am saying that okay, this component you develop, and if you are stuck in somewhere, okay, let us know, we will help you, try to give you as much support as possible from our side and even from my team also. Then you need to be disciplined in, it should not be happen that okay sir I have joined just half hour late, okay will you recap, give me a quick recap. So if we have schedules, and be sure like we are not going to give you such kind of like you cannot follow. So usually we will get your feedback like at what time we should schedule our session. Okay, if you are attentive, so you can suggest okay this time will good. Otherwise if you are not knowing that at what time our schedule is going to be, generally we are going to keep in morning. Okay, for today we have keep in like in noon, because we have also in the morning like I have to come to the office also so we need to do the certain thing, so due to that reason we have scheduled it. Then project report submission, like in an industry rather than just working on coding, it is also very important to how you prepare a report. Okay, how you are going to uh, like suppose uh, in a company you are working as a like front end developer, you work for 1 year, after 1 year you just quit that company and go to the other company. So like suppose at the place like suppose other developer will become, if there will be no any report or documentation for that, so it is very challenging for them to go through the each line of code and understand the things what you are doing. So it is also like good practice to always have a project details, okay, like what I have developed, what component I have developed, what like requirement functionality was there, okay, how its behavior was there, that should be mentioned in a document, that any person when after you if joining he can easily go through it. And even for the your teammate also it will be helpful. Okay, and then after end of the month we are going to issue with the internship certificate. Okay, so tasks like we can also provide you some video lecture, because yeah we are not kind of like we are planning to develop one e-learning platform, because a lot of people are interesting to do internship or training, but right now we are just designing, so we can refer you third party video, like our team or we are going through those things. So if it is good, really good, so we will suggest you that oh go through this video and do this certain work. Okay, so we will provide you source material. Okay, but you need to do like work hard and make this summer vacation really fruitful for you. Okay, so any question please ask. And the people who is joining late, please introduce yourself.
Have like different diversity and all. So people who have just know and basic idea about front end development, HTML, CSS, and JS. So please you can directly text me also. As we have planned, so our first assignment is about to build some basic projects on HTML, CSS, and JS. So already sir have shared that one. I think I will also share the link. So let me give you some idea about that. I hope my screen will be visible. So our first project, on the basis of that your evaluation will be done and your certification will be provided after that. So the people who have already done projects and have a good understanding of HTML, CSS, and JS, please let me know. We will arrange some different type of projects for you, and the people who need to start from their scratch. So for those people only, I'm going to let you please see what you have to do. For our first project, you need to go on this website freecodecamp.org. I will share you the direct link for this website. So this is the like free. This website provide you the free certification also. So you need to complete these all the five projects. First one is like you have to build a cat photo app. and we have to just complete this one step by step, so that you will also get to learn and have a good understanding of HTML, CSS, and JS also. So this one is your first project. Learn basics here one. Uh, this one is your first app, CAD photo app. The next one is tribute page. The third one is technical documentation page. The fourth one is product landing page, and the fifth one is your personal portfolio
Ritik
web
raised
page.
his hand. So ask him, Ritik, what he want to ask.
Hello.
Yeah, Ritik, do you have any question? You have raised your hand. Ritik?
Do
No,
you have
sir,
any
sir.
question?
No,
Okay.
no.
Okay.
Okay,
It's
okay.
by mistake.
Okay, it's okay. So I have shared my screen about you need to complete all these five projects, and at last you will be provided a certification from the code camp also, and you need to share that certificate to me. You will get a certificate like this. Uh, I have already done this one long time ago. So you will get a certification like this, and on the basis of this, and after evaluating your project, you will get a certification, and the project report which you have to build at the last of this program. So you can take idea about how to build project report from your seniors also, and already you might have some idea regarding this. And yeah, so your first assignment is this one, and the people who have want to done some other take a stack like React.js and all. So please, you can text me directly, and I will give you some other projects if you are not good, not you feel this one is basic. So yeah, this one is your first project, and so you need to build this one. I hope you guys got it my point. If you have any doubt regarding this, you can ask me.
Okay. Thank you, Priyansu, for that. So I think we are good with that. Anyone have any question? So otherwise we will bind this, and we will update you about the next schedule.
Sir, can you share your contact so that I can text you?
Yeah. So
Okay, so actually, I'm going to form a WhatsApp group of all the people who really interested to make this effective program. So I will share all the details there also, and all the links and all. So don't worry about that. Okay. So if you guys have any doubt, please you can ask any question.
yeah, or you can also write your question group also. Like, so we are going to form a WhatsApp group. You can drop your any question if you are related to this specific topic or like any concern with these things. We will address there itself. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you then. Bye. Bye all. Have a nice day. चलो भाई अच्छा करा 10 लड़का ज्वाइन कर लिया भाई चलो उस लड़के लोग को इमेज परसेप्शन बने मोबाइल लेने जाना है उन लोग के चक्कर में जल्दबाजी में आए लोग के लिए रिकॉर्डिंग हो रहा है देखते हैं